Hi viewers, this video would be very useful to you because it brings you the insight about meditation and how it can change your brain chemistry, your healthier life, your physical as well as mental life. Totally how the meditation could change you, how meditation can make your life more better. So please don't skip the video and tune with us. What if I told you that just sitting quietly for 10 minutes a day could literally rewrite your brain, lower your stress, improve your focus, and even enhance your physical health? In today's fast paced world, our minds are constantly racing, but there is powerful scientifically proven solution, that is meditation. And no, you don't have to be a monk, or you don't have to be a special person to meditate. Just just cross-legged and sit, and you can get the life-changing experience. If you can't cross-legged and sit, just sit in your chair comfortably with the erected spinal cord and just focus your breath, or just focus about your body for just 10 minutes. That's meditation. There are many methods. There are many methods. But whatever methods you are following in the meditation, that brings you the same benefit. So you don't want to be a monk or special person to do the meditation. You can be an ordinary person. Sitting cross-legged with the erected spinal cord is better. But if you can't sit in the cross-leg, just sit on your bed or the chair, but be straight. Then close your eyes. Just focus your inhalation and exhalation, or just focus your body, how your body function. Just focus on your body's internal part, or just focus the sounds around you that is constantly hearing to you. So this is meditation. Just focus anything, or just focus whatever you like. This could be the meditation. So we are making this video very simple. Then we will discuss now how this kind of meditating at 10 minutes per day, how could it change you? Scientifically, the studies using MRI scans have shown that meditation physically changes the brain. Here is what happens. Gray matters in the brain increases in the prefrontal cortex of the brain, the area that is responsible for decision making, concentration, and awareness. Your amygdala, the area that controls the fear. The fear center of the brain shrinks when you regularly meditate. So this reduces the anxiety and emotional reactivity. So if you are the emotional person, reacting everything in the as fearful thing, and if you feel the anxiety and depression, the meditation is a best medicine, because it works with your amygdala. The amygdala is responsible for these fearful situations, making you fear, making you anxiety. So now the science has proved that amygdala gets shrink when you meditate. Then the third benefit, that is the connectivity improves between the different brain regions, enhancing the emotional regulation and memory improves. Neurons that wire together, neurons that fire together and wire together. Meditation literally rewires your brain for peace, focus, and clarity. So you are living with the firing of your neurons in your brain. So this is getting rewired through the meditation for peace, because through the meditation what you are doing is seeking peace, thinking about the peace, focusing in a single material. So naturally the brain rewrite itself for peace. So brain function against the anxiety. The Third one is the stress reduction. That is the main point for everybody's meditation. So everybody want the stress-free life, but this modern world is full of stress. For the stress-free life, the science says meditation can activate the parasympathetic nervous system in your body that rest and that digest your food, that rest your body and digest your food without any problems. If your food digested in the correct manner, many disease could be avoided. So that is done by the parasympathetic nervous system. So the meditation controls and activate the parasympathetic nervous system. This also decrease the inflammation in your body, improve your heart rate, improve your overall heart health and longevity. It means long life. The meditation also boosts the mental health as well as the physical health. Actually, depression and anxiety are the result of this modern world. Meditation would be the clinically proved method in psychology for as a remedy for anxiety and depression. Why? It enhances the emotional intelligence as well as it promotes the positive self-image about you, and it also rewrite the wiring of your brain as well as the neurotransmitter level. So the meditation in overall is it's the great unvaluable medicine for the new life. So it enhances your physical health. So let us further discuss how it enhances your physical health. The first of all, it improves the immune systems. It reduces the chronic pain. It helps lower your blood pressure. It enhances sleep. So when these things are done naturally, your physical health get well. So you no need to go to regularly meet the doctor. The meditation is the best doctor. But we are not discouraging you to get the treatment from the doctors. So you get the treatment for any of your diseases and also meditate. So your treatment will be nicely work in your body. The meditation not only helping you mental and physical health, it also increase your focus and productivity. Your focus and productivity mean it is very helpful for your improvement in education and other field or your professional life. So your working memory increased, your task oriented stability increased. Overall your productivity oriented thinking pattern and behavior will be increased. So meditation makes you a perfect person, not only your personal life but your professional life also. You will be calm and quiet person. You make the decision with the calm and quiet mind. So your decisions are always nice to others and helping to this society. And if you are regularly meditate, you never do the criminal activity, because the criminal activities are the mind that comes from the mind of unmeditative people or those who never known about the meditation. So it against the criminal activities. Meditation improves emotional healings also, self-awareness also. So the meditation has been practiced for thousands of years for this reason, especially by monks and other religious people for emotional healing and self-awareness. But the modern science says it actually brings the emotional healing, but not only emotional healing, other physical and mental as well as the professional life benefits also, as we have discussed. So we don't need to say that the meditation gives you the emotional healing for your life. So just 5 to 10 minutes, spend 5 to 10 minutes per day. Sit comfortably. So you can sit in your bed cross-legged, that is best, or you can sit your bed as you wish, or you can sit in your chair as you wish, or cross-legged. Then quietly close your eyes. Just focus your inhalation and exhalation, or just focus your thoughts. Just focus your brain area where the thoughts, or just focus the area of your heart where the thoughts affects the emotion are arise. That's all. And now just focus. If you can't do this, just focus your entire body, how you are sitting at that moment. Just focus the present moment. Present moment mean what you are thinking presently, what's are going on around you. Just listen to the sound, even the sound of the vehicles, sounds of the birds, sound of other people, what they are speaking, and be aware on present. Try to be aware on the present. At the beginning this may be crazy for you or difficult for you, but through the practice this will be the day-to-day life's activity. So in day-to-day life, what you are doing every day, you are going to work, every day you are waking up, every day you are drinking the water, eating the food, speaking with other people, like that the meditation would be the normal activity of your life. If you practice it for daily practice. You, if you can't practice daily, one day by another day, omit one day and do another day, at least 4 times per week, morning or evening or even night. The time is not essential, but morning or during the night is better, especially morning is better. If you do this, the meditation will be the great medicine for your life. So this video brought you the how meditation improves your health as well as your overall life. Please tune with us for these kind of similar scientifically oriented videos for improving your life in English. Thank you for watching the video.